How to combine fields in the data pane. I have a category and subcategory. I'd like to combine the two. Let's drag category onto rows, and then subcategory onto rows as well. That gives me a view of each category and subcategory, and I have an area chart. In order to combine these fields, I can click on category and subcategory in the data pane, click the drop-down, select Create Combined Field. Now I get category and subcategory together. If I drag it into the view, you see this is furniture bookcases, furniture chairs, etc. You can also write a custom calculation by adding a calculated field and concatenating the two by typing category plus space plus subcategory. Drag that into the view and you get the same effect. Hope that helps.